All right, let's get started with lesson 7. We've already done all the usual stuff. Started Photoshop, restored the default preferences, changed to a lighter interface, changed my pop-up window to show the current tool, changed my move tool to turn off the auto select, changed my zoom tool to turn off scrubby zoom. I've opened up 07 start and saved it as 07 working, and done Control 0 to fit in window. In this lesson, we've also changed our workspace. I've gone, as we suggest, on page 165, and change my workspace to the graphic workspace, graphic and web workspace. Let's do view and rulers to show our rulers, vertical and horizontal. And I want to drag a vertical guide. The way you do that is you click right here on the ruler and just drag it over until it comes over to 4.25. If you hit the shift key as you drag, that'll let you get exactly to 4.25. And that, by the way, is centered since this is an 8.5 inch wide image. 4.25 is the center. Let's go add some type. I'm going to select the background layer in the layers panel. So when I add the new type layer, it'll appear directly on top of that, underneath the model, but above the background. Let's go to the horizontal type tool, T on your keyboard, or click over here, horizontal type tool, and let's select the fonts. So I'll go look for Minion Pro Regular. I don't have that, I just have Minion Pro. If that's all you have, that will do. We'll set our font size to 144. We'll select center text. So when I click, that will be the center of the text that I'll be typing. Let's go to the character panel and set the settings we need. We'll change the tracking value here to 100. Tracking is the space between characters. So I'll click over here somewhere around her forehead, right in the center of the image, and I'll start typing digital, all caps. And I'll click the check mark to accept my typing. The size is good, but the font is not great. We can select all, we can do Control A to select all the text. I still have the horizontal type tool selected. And now I will change my font. Go to the font family pop-up here. You can also use the one in the character panel. And I'll come down and choose Myriad Pro. I'll point out that you can type the name up here. So if I type in MY, I can find all the Myriad Pros. We're going to choose Myriad Pro Semi-Bold. And check. We'll go to our Move tool, Fit in Window, and we'll reposition this digital text. I'm just going to use my arrow key to move it down a little bit. That's pretty good. File save.